enough to build a 2-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet, but as the dam expands downward toward the base, it reaches 660 feet at the bottom, nearly as thick as it is tall. It weighs in at 6.6 million tons. From here, you can see Lake Mead behind the dam, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water, enough to flood an area the size of Connecticut 10 feet deep. Below the face of the dam, you can see 2 long powerhouse buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy sold to support the operation and maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars.
Oh, right.
The body of water below is called the tail bay or tail race, which here is actually the Colorado River. This is where the water drawn from